So here we have an LED afterburner from Gooniac that we are going to fit into the FMS Rafale. So I've removed this panel and there is the motor underneath. We're going to get this out. Just to excuse the dogs barking, they've probably seen a bird. We're going to get this out and then fit the afterburner to the back here. Okay, so the LED afterburner is fitted to the motor. It's just glued in place with some super glue. The wire is routed underneath past the speed controller and then out of the canopy. I am running this on an S-bus cable, so I've put the wire into channel 8 on the 8XR receiver, and we have it working. We've tested it, and now I'm just fitting this back in here. Because this is the super bright LED, I've had to chop away a bit of foam at the back, just in there, but not too much has had to be removed to get this in place. So now I've just got to fit this back in here and make sure all the wires are tidy. So we've got the afterburner installed. We already checked that it was working okay, and now I've plugged it in with the motor on. So we're just going to get a quick video of it with the motor running too. It comes on at about 50% throttle, and you'll see how bright it is. So if I just hold that there, and then here we go. There we have it. The afterburner light is installed in the Rafale, and it looks great when it's running. You can see the wire going up over the top of the motor and behind the speed controller, and I can't wait to get this out at the field, see what it looks like. And there we go, all sorted. So if you want to check out Gooniac 33 on YouTube, and here are some of the details with the website and email on it. Go check him out and get an afterburner light.